Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2. The reason why I'm making this video is because the other night I went home after spending a couple of hours at the ID card section in my town. I'm going to tell you which one. I'm talking to a couple of the some of the veterans that were there, okay? And let me tell you something. They're very happy to work there, but some of them had what I will call, they don't feel that they have found suitable employment based on their experience, their accolades, their resumes, their certifications, X, Y, and Z. And it comes down to, while you're in the military, you start in a very basic, average level, private, specialist, lieutenant. And then through your career, you earn rank and position and then responsibilities. By the time that you leave the military, most of us, we are either senior non-commissioned officers or you guys are, field grade officers. Okay. And it coming to the civilian sector, joining the civilian sector as in a position where you are again back to the beginnings, kind of sucks. But the military and the Department of Defense, the Department of War, the VA, they have tools to help people like us transition easier into the civilian sector. Let me tell you something, guys. Not everybody who leaves out of the military leaves with a top secret clearance, Security Plus, CISSP, CISM, PMP, and a master's degree. Not everybody who leaves the military leaves with all those credentials. Anyway, not everybody was lucky. All right. Thanks to the Lord that I was able to be part of the lucky ones. But because I understand that there's other people out there who are not as lucky as I was, I'm making these videos. I'm making these videos for you, so you can pick up right now. Pick it up from wherever place you are. It doesn't matter what you're doing. So to begin with, I want to tell you guys that if you have a service connecting disability, if you receive any pension from the VA, if you receive any money from the VA, you will qualify for Chapter 31. And Chapter 31 is nothing but money for school. All right, money for school. Chapter 31 equals money for school for you to get your education. There's many ways that they can phrase or frame the help that they're going to give you. But if you go there, you tell them, hey, I want to go back to school. I want to finish my bachelor's or my associate. So I want to get a master's. I want to get an MBA on these fields. Yeah, that's what Chapter 31 is going to do. Now, if you qualify for Chapter 31, guess what? Your family members, your spouse and your children of age, I think they have to be under 21 or under 25 if they're still living with you. They can still qualify for Chapter 35. And what that means is that they are going to be able to use this money to pay for the school. And that helped them. Why do they pay for the spouse? Why do they pay for the dependents? Because when you are PCSing, these kids are PCSing with you. When you are changing stations, they are changing stations with you. When I first got into the military, I was sent to Alaska, Fairbanks, Alaska. And guess what? My wife, after a couple of years, she was able to find a GS job. I think it was like GS 10, 11. And as soon as she got the year as a GS 11, the military had me some papers like, hey, go for Bragg. Hey, go to Fort Lewis. Go to, you know what I mean? And that happens to all of us. That's why they're entitled to these amazing benefits. So let me get back to the point. Chapter 31, money for school, guys. I'm gonna put the links on the description. If you look at this video, if you're looking at this video and you click at the 3 dots on the bottom, there's gonna be some type of descriptions where you click and the whole description of the video opens. Within that description, there's going to be links for you to be able to use on your computer so you can access them. Okay. Other than that, in addition to that, you can go to my website. Okay, it's called Mission Project. It's right here, missionprojectcyber.com, and on that website there's a link for you guys to get into my email distro. Okay, and also request a 30-minute free session with me where I will be giving you the same spiel again of your benefits and the things you qualify for, and then I cannot take a look at your professional acumen, and I can tell you, I think you're suitable for, you know, X, Y, and Z. I can give you my best advice based on my experience. Okay, it's not gonna be probably the best that you can get in the world if you get it from, you know, Duncordon or one of those guys, but it's gonna be the best I can give you. Let me tell you something, guys. It's very good. So chapter 31, money for school for you. Chapter 35 for your dependents. Okay, use these benefits. Okay, the money that you don't spend here, it goes away, and then it gets funneled, or it gets sent to other things that might not need it, as you or your family. So on that note, guys, we're gonna be making more videos. So if you got to this point on this video, subscribe to the channel and wait for the videos that come. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.